What is up, guys? Welcome back to Ainsworth Outdoors. We're back again with a quick little video here. I'm about to take my boat out. A little bit windy today, a little bit choppy probably, but ain't nothing an old tractor can't handle. I'm just gonna do a little bit of fishing, hit some good spots. That sun's pretty bright. Got the lake to myself, so that'll be nice. But yeah, without any further ado, I'm just gonna get out there and hopefully get some awesome catches for you guys. And thank you guys for all the subscribers that are rolling in. It's been hard to rebuild my channel, so that helps me out a lot. And thank you for 1,000 followers on Instagram. I'll see you guys out there. Man, look at that boat right there. Alright guys, this is what we're gonna go to flipping now. Looks ugly. We're gonna try it. Muddy, pretty muddy water. There, he ate it. All right, guys, we're calling it a day. Fished for about, I'd say probably 4 hours or so, maybe a little more. It was another crazy day on the water. You don't usually have days like that. I caught a lot of fish. Seemed like a lot. The wind was blowing like crazy. Those fish will still bite in the wind a lot of the times. You just gotta get on them. But yeah, like I said, you don't have many days like that, so I'm thankful for that. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. I caught a lot of good fish. Wasn't like that last video or 2 videos ago, but I think the weather was just better, so I liked the day better in that one. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of your hair, get this bad boy home, get it cleaned up. I will see you guys in the next video.